The question today is, what is Squamous and why did I start Squamous? Squamous is a social enterprise that in one empowers the school dropouts from streets to skills, breaking cycles of poverty. Our vision is very clear: to empower the school dropouts from streets to skills, breaking cycles of poverty. In Uganda today, we see that the number of school dropouts to be increasing on a verge and very rapid. So our social enterprise comes in to intervene in such situations. We get these school dropouts that have been on the streets for years, for months, for decades, and we give them back an opportunity to self-dignity. And by that, we recruit them, we pick them from their communities, from the streets where they are, and then we bring them in the Squamous Hub. And in the Squamous Mentorship Hub, they are able to learn skills of the 21st century. They are able to learn skills that are not just relevant, but also that are relevant in the business world. With these skills, they are able to, one, make money, they are able to start their own businesses, they are able to train their peers, they are able to also contribute to be they are also able to be the change makers in their community. Our theory when it comes to empowerment is that we believe that when you train one individual, he or she is able to train 2 more, that is, will be able to train 5 more, that 10 more, like that. And with this theory, we believe that we're gonna see so many kids leave the streets in Uganda, and not only just in Uganda, from Africa, from wherever these school dropouts are. We modify our model to make sure that it can work for anyone, wherever